kurwana no guhinda isi ni mu gahinda nabonye abantu benshi batakaje icyizere barakubitwa cyane bakabaye baceka igiye iminsi ubona ejo siko bihora nyamara byibuze gerageza upfurindwanya ukwishinga y'uwundi ayawe ngo asigare amaraso umuntu ava burya nawe niyumva umwuka humeka nawe niwe uhumeka umuntu akize ate wowe ukennye gute aho tekereza ahangaha urwane n'igisubizo indushyi z'ikigali uba wibaza uko zibaho kandi hari abarya gatatu baba birizariza karonda k'umutindi burya apfa kuba atarwaye ejo muzabisika n'ujya ubona nahamwaye mu gihe babatunzi bino bahora bahuma yahurira agahuma niyo wenda n'agahunda hari igihugu bitana n'umugisha w'ibunza switi ntigukange rahura n'ingeri zose nibwo ubona ko nta gisekeje ureka imishinyiko najyaga numva kera nk'iyo sakiza urakira ariko nkabona hadi n'abava mu batindi bakaza bagafata bagatunga bikagwira hadi n'abandi mbona bakomoka mu ngaga bakamagirwa ukabona bapfuye urw'agahinda gusa tuvuge ko hari ibyo baba birengagije cyangwa ibanga riba ribitswe n'umubyeyi ukuzi iyi minsi ntabyo isano rekana na suhuma yarukira ku rukada birutse imbura ibyo batsimbye yije nazo n'iy'umwuka yushwashwasa hunahuna abatuzi icyenda batubonye twiruka imihanda kibuno mamaguru bamwe banapfuka amababa shitani n'umukobanyi ameze nka serukiranyi niba ujya kwihagarika ukabanza ugasura menya ko ushaje reka kwimaringa mu mihanda inzara iravuza ubuhuha ku nyandiko nk'izi zihora zikumirwa ngo isi yasubiye ibwana kibuga cyafashwe bugwate nabo b'uburofa haguruka wishidikanya shakashaka ugere ku cyo walotaga inzozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubone ifunguro haguruka wishidikanya shakashaka ugere ku cyo walotaga inzozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubone ifunguro musonja mu mirwa nafunga umwuka nagupapa nakima afite zose akazitanga ngatabare nakuye imbaraga mu manongo nzahure hadiko bana bo mu rugo nibaze basome kuri izi nyandiko barapikise kandi nk'imishwi irashya urutoki yahumva byinshi uzibe urekura ibikwiye nushaka uca amarenga wahawe amatwi asumva ibikiranye ibibazo bivanzemo imihiriko abyarupigapiga zizinukwe zibikwame iwaku ni nk'umukwege ndatutubiza byabageneho bakirengagiza nubwo batabikina ariko baba babibonye ndimo ndomonganira mu misozi y'i Kigali imyotsi biracumba mu bibuno by'ibipeti birwisiringaho cometse masiga ibizinga akenshi iyo udatinya burya ugera ku ntsinzi rirupfa kwayo ubutabitse musigira ishyundu nibyinshi tsimbye kuri taburo yanjye y'ubwonko ni kwa kurekura bunyibunye si ndimwihangana ushaka ikibazo atera urutoki muha ijambo mugabanya akarindi twabaririye ubunyano haguruka wishidikanya shakashaka ugere ku cyo walotaga inzozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubone ifunguro haguruka wishidikanya shakashaka ugere ku cyo walotaga inzozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubone ifunguro haguruka wishidikanya shakashaka ugere ku cyo walotaga inzozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubone ifunguro.
The Truck Slayer.
Smartphone yawe yaraguhenze none ngo uyishyize mu maboko atabyigiye ngo bayigukorere oya yishyira abatekinisiye b'umwuga ba Isatec iherereye mu mujyi kwa Makuza ahateganye n'umusigiti bayigukorere kinyamwuga muri Isatec bakora telefone z'ubwoko bwose muri serivisi zikurikira gukora cyangwa gusimbura bateri gusimbura screen yangiritse gukora cyangwa gusimbura aho ucomeka charger kuri telefone charging port gukora kamera itagikora neza cyangwa kuyisimbura tunagufitiye abatekinisiye bakora za projecteri kandi uzadusangana accessoires za telefone nka covers chargers screen protectors camera protectors sanga Isatec ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Instagram TikTok na Facebook wanaduhamagara kuri 085 104 091.
banyarwandakazi ku munsi wa none yababoneye igisubizo. Ese waba ukeneye umuntu wagukorera ibikoresho byo mu nzu harimo nka TV stand, ibikoni byo mu nzu bigezweho, amagarde robe, imiryango igezweho, utubati, yewe si ibyo gusa, yubaka n'ama office, akanubaka n'amafarumasi ndetse n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye. Uwo nta wundi ni Cedric Furniture. Umushaka wamusangana mu gakinjiro ka Gisozi muri Adarwa. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara nimero uri kubona kuri ekra yawe, cyangwa se ukadukurikirana kuri Instagram kuri Cedric Furniture and Interior Design.
Ndakubwiye Eric Tech yaje nk'igisubizo ku banyarwanda.
Nari mfite ibibazo by'ibikoresho byanjye by'ikoranabuhanga byari byarananiye pe.
Ariko nagereye kwa Eric Tech ibikoresho byanjye byose by'ikoranabuhanga karakemutse.
Eric Tech ubu ndishimye ni wabyumva.
Kwa Eric Tech bazana nanjye Sankara ajya gukoresha.
Tubafite ibikoresho
ni naho tugurira ibikoresho byose za laptop, desktop,
laptop,
amakamera zino za CCTV cameras
yabiri by'amanyarwanda ndetse n'itagendanwa cyangwa desktop guhera ku bihumbi 80.
Ntabwo ari ibyo gusa, tubafite CCTV cameras zicunga umutekano wawe cyangwa se mu kazi kawe. Ibikoresho byose by'ikoranabuhanga byananiranye tubikora mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya bikaba bishya
mu masegonda make cyane. Kwa Eric Tech
akira abanyeshuri bashya mu bijyanye na IT, electronics ndetse
kandi igitangaje kwa Eric Tech bigisha computer ariko ku mafaranga make cyane
n'ibindi
ku giciro nk'icy'umuneke
hagati y'isoko na station
cyangwa se mu mujyi kwa Rubangura.
Ni mutugane tubafashe kuko dufite ibikoresho byongera ubumenyi bwanyu.
Amarembo yacu arakinguye.
Ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara nimero ziri kuri ekara yawe.
Nimero ni izo ngizo 0782510099 Eric Tech niwe muvugana noneho. Urumva ibaza nawe Sankara aho mavuzi ni banyarwanda mujyana abana banyu kwa Eric Tech bakora iki? Bahinduke ba Bill Gates biga computer quand même encore présent. Aya arachaye da premier for real. Filiba yiswe ngwici bayise take cover. Bagaba nka Scott Adkins. Batiga muri nyinshi cyane. Usigi signature. Signature. Ubwo mugiye kuriraho ngo ntago yize. Urumva? Signature bona batiguye. Ntushaka kuvuga signature. Amacha. Impacha. Uko bishaka. Urumva? Bona batiguye ifime yiswe take cover. Benshi akunda kumwita boy kama zimda kunitwa Scott Adkins.
Do you believe in God?
Ati wizerera mu Mana utangiye uvuga abaza mugenzi ngo do you believe in God?
Fuck you.
Kiryaga panda.
Completely serious.
Bari serious cyane.
Yeah.
Ndavuze ngo kiryaga panda. Ntabagabo ebyiri. Bari kuri za by nature bazabyacomeri.
Do your usual and blather on about
Ati mwana nukamangamira kenshi ndimo mu kazi nkaka ntago bashaka umuntu uvugisha amagambo menshi.
gorgeous babes in hot.
Ndimo ndabona imbere y'abana batoya n'abasniper ebyiri yo kuganira.
Oh yeah, right.
Ndakumva mwana ibyo uvuga no kuri.
Everything I want to do while lying next to you.
Ata kenshi ibyo nshaka gukora byose akenshi bashaka kubikora nkuryamye iruhande.
Envision nude women to the point of arousal.
Akenshi nirebera nk'abagore bambaye ubusa turi kumwe mwana bari atari.
Make it weird. I didn't make it weird. I'm just
Mwana
not.
ntago vuga ibintu bidasanzwe.
That's all.
Okay, fine.
Byo sawa ntacyo bitwaye.
Baseball or something.
Basiganira uburyo twagiye kuri match ya baseball cyangwa ibindi.
Baseball's boring as fuck.
Mana baseball iraboa. Asa umupolisi ari marafabuna mudamu. Wikoreye akambwe ati
The only thing more boring about baseball?
ikintu kiboha kuri baseball.
Talking about baseball.
Ati abantu bavuga nka baseball bayiganiraho.
Random bunkmates.
Ati bana twe turi inshuti magara.
Luck of the draw.
Ntabwo turi bunkmates.
I don't believe in luck.
Ntabwo nizera amahirwe. Usibye ko nizera mu Mana n'umwe ati I don't believe in luck but I believe in God.
But you do believe in God.
Ese bazo byo wizera mu Mana. Niba utizera amahirwe. Araka Scott Adkins. Yes Kristo.
Talk about this, huh?
Bari binagozwe ko tuganiraho. Ese wowe wizera mu Mana basi?
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi.
Why I'm asking. I'm just
Sinzi mpamvu muri murabazi bigusa.
wondering about it all, I guess.
Alright, okay.
Sawa nta kibazo byo wizera byose ntacyo bitwaye.
And when did this happen? Was it when you were up to your chin and texting ass at some whore?
Barasiriza mbere n'abasirikare bombi.
Maybe.
Ariko ntago wambaye byenda gisirikare wasanga n'abacancuro.
Just
Batsuko zaura muri Bangkok bizagenda neza.
think about this shit.
Si mwana ageze utekereza ko uzakora kuva na mbere.
What? God and shit? No.
Imana n'umwana bihuriye wapi mwana ngo ntekereza ko umunsi umwe zaba arimo nakora kano kazi.
Why are you interested in this all of a sudden?
Ese basi ugeze ubigira amatsiko y'akazi tuzakora umunsi umwe.
It's natural to wonder about the job.
Ati ni ibintu bisanzwe gushidikanya ku kazi.
I know you don't.
No.
Ndabizi ko utajya ubitekerezaho.
Wanna know why?
Nshaka kwibaza impamvu nanjye.
Because
Hasi hari abasanga bari myigaragambyo bano bari kuri za by nature.
you're an
Asshole.
ati akazi kose nakora akapfa kuba kari productive. Ikibi ni ukora akazi kari non productive katabyara umusaruro. Niko kabaza ateko cyo kamaze.
So, what do you think happens after we die?
None se mwana jya bibaza ikizaba nyuma yuko dupfuye?
Nothing happens.
Nta kijya kiba no azaba iki?
Nothing?
Ntacyo.
No.
Nta kimwe.
Alive. Dead.
Chonzi cyo nuko umuntu abari muzima mu nyuma agapfa nyuma yaho rero sinzi biba. Nibyo nabindi.
You believe in nothing?
Kuki wizera ngaho nta kizabaza? Ntago ari byo navuze.
Exactly what you just said.
Nibyo wavuze mbati wimvugira ibyo navuze.
What I said
winamika amagambo mwana.
happens after we die.
Icyo navuze nuko nta kiba nyuma yuko dupfuye. Kuko already batwapfuye ntago uzi ibikurikira.
So, what is it?
None se niki kiba?
Do or you don't believe?
Nuko utizera cyangwa nuko wizera?
Pick one.
Remember what the doctor said when somebody hands you a weapon and claims it's not loaded?
Ati mwana uzukuru byemera kanshi mfate intwaro ugiye ku rugamba mu nyuma kabana kitari loaded inama za sarimo.
Verify then trust.
Atari ko mugisiga batwigishije ikintu kimwe verify and then trust. Ujye banza verify intwaro wikoreye hanyuma wizera uyigwaye ariko amaje gukora iki ku verify. Muri make nungahabwa intwaro ugiye ku rugamba ngo upfe kwizera ko iri loaded. Tabanje ku verify.
Go.
Tangiye gutekereza neza.
God. Still waiting for verification.
Rero nanjye ugiye kumbaza iby'Imana, Imana nza verify ko ari bone mbone gukora iki nyizeri.
Yeah, I hear that.
Nabyo ndabyumva.
Sometimes.
Rimwe rimwe najya nibaza.
Hello. We got movement.
Man, ndabona hari umuntu utamubuja.
Black SUV.
Ndabona imodoka ya black SUV. Imodoka irinzwe. Musenzi ndamubona.
You sure this is our guy?
Ndashaka rero tugomba kurasa.
Like he's lost a lot of weight.
Ndabona abana yananutse nimba ari nawe.
Positive.
Hano hari abanyamakuru benshi batandukanye.
I think he might be right.
Ndashaka gushaka kubivuga ari ukuri. Tujye dukora ibirori rero.
Mercs. This prick brought his own private army.
Senze yazanye ingabo ziri private.
Does it look?
We got a lot of eyes on this, but yeah.
Ndabona hari abantu benshi batandukanye. Hazi ni imodoka nayo ku ruhande. Umuntu uje baza ari umuntu ukomeye sinza ashinzwe iki. Haza undi mukobwa ku ruhande nawe urinzwe. Ava mu yindi modoka.
Oh.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Kane atari bwana.
Oh shit.
Nganda.
Oh my god, that must be his newest toy.
Banzara gakinisho gachaza kana gakobwa. Turakwamaganye umwicanyi. Umugabo bari kwamagana. Kobwa cyagari professional.
He's just waiting because of his winning personality, don't
Nta wamenye byuri ya mukobwa urumva nayo yari cyamuzanye.
more than we make.
Nta mukobwa uvagura n'umugabo nta giciro gihari. Tayari kwa rubanda.
Northwest.
Zirasomana.
3 miles per.
Mutangira kumbara hano miles sasu byagendamo.
Copy that.
Ndakumva.
Zoning in.
Ndemana ndakurura neza. Tayari umugabo. Mugabo banza kwitsa umutima bare yukarasa. Muvandi bikore. Ara marwa yacu yonyine. Yararashe umugabo. Kumbe. Umukobwa. Yari tambitse abari baha. Barizo bana imbunda. Mwanda. Rashe umukobwa kurashe umugabo. Manda mwishe mwana. Ntago murashaka cyahumeka.
God, focus.
Man focusing arasa. Ndasubira mwana dukeneye.
He's not leaving her. She's not just a
Ntago vejura umukobwa.
Hand.
Umwana fikira focus ku kiganza cyawe. Upima urutwe rw'umugabo. Ngabanza kwitsa imitima. Yewe, aramurashe murashe karubanda.
Take the shot.
Pima mwana. Umeka. Umwice.
God damn it, you have to take.
Vuba. Oh.
Bingo.
Kiza cyane.
That's a confirmed kill.
Sawa no turamurangije bive muzo tucomoke.
Fine. Tell me.
Mwana gira vuba. Barangije ati ibikoresho byabo. Basore ebyiri, basore bato. Jobira. Basirikare babonye bari hejuru muri etage. Nabo bazamuka hejuru. Bakurikira bamaniga. Turore. Bayise take cover. Oh. Vuba. Tunguza uburyo umwete. Raka basore ebyiri.
Shit, we're fucked.
Nanda bagera u Rwanda ruherera mani turanaburije.
Remember Beirut?
Urebeka muri Beirut.
And we just need to find some sheep.
Bakongera tukabikora bwa section cy'ishuka.
It didn't work. It
Mani muri Beirut nagishuka yakoze.
I broke my ankle. This is twice.
Mani navunitse ku kirenge.
Bullshit.
None ni yari cyane.
Okay.
Harakuru muri Beirut ngo bajya bakoresha amashuka imitaka ariko amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Silka shit. Basore zivayo. Benjira hakuno. nta mutaka bari kuri etage hejuru bana nkurikire Dan turore baretse hewe mama chibwaceri mama jya ku ruhande bagabo zivayo man Sam tuza hamwe abagara Sam sinzi nindi tayare basore bana bwe
Sorry.
yahangane mama mwihangane niyo job yitwa indyankurye beze nyangwe chenye police night samu Bishara abantu barasane zaragarwa leta ngazamakuru bahise ba posting vuba basore baramanuka baciye mugenza waciki haca bapagasi bahenguka hakuno raka tabara mwa basenzi mwe
Take it easy.
mugenza gace mwana mujene gace
We give up.
basore bombi
Thoughts?
hari kiri gutekereza mwana sibyo kuraburiza
Hello?
yena gace tayare kick yuri nachari wa wundi nakubwiye bagabo n'indwanyi muri bitandatu byawe ku giti urya show nakubwiye box mangumi bagabo bose n'indwanyi bapagasi mutwe biribira yabwe baraducomoka batsimunda ya vuba nakubwiye filmira tuitangiye barakomeza tinzamo arakora gwiki
Trust me on this one, okay?
ani namwe dufite nyizera mwana trust me on this bageza ha
No. Hey,
oya
call this a leap of faith.
bane bimwe byo gufata nk'ari ukwizera nta kundi nani mahitamo baza hakuno wa mbere arasimbuka na mugenzi arakurikira bajya hakuno ku gikamyo mbireza igishitingi bandi barinzi bavayo abasenzi baza wapi umazane kamyo bagende bagiriya yajya bushozi
I told you Beirut would have worked.
bana kuya tekiniko muri Beirut yakabayikoze hari byabaye muri Beirut arakuntu bagiye gusimbuka etaje bifashishije amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silki sasa ko bagatashye bicaye hakuno mu ndege.
It was a good kill, Sam.
Mani Sam wapimye neza. Sasa Sam baza yisha umuntu base nkaho naye mwabibonye film itangira.
That woman, she was breathing.
Ati baro ya mugore warashe n'umutindo wo kwarashe mutago bakwica yarakiri marahumeka ntago yapfuye.
I saw it.
Nabibonye mwana.
And even if she wasn't, she was lip locking with an arms dealing terrorist.
Ariko mwana kama nubwira mudamu w'abana mwishere baradiringa n'ikihebe. Shaba gicuzo intwaro.
Guy was a shit.
Arms dealing terrorist.
For deluxe.
Aida nakigomba kwicuza ndabyumva.
Yourself in front of a bullet to save him then, Ken.
Mane uriya mukobwa byanga byakurukuntu byagaragaye yambonye mbere yuko ndase kweze yitambikira kira kihebe.
Why would she do that?
Niya mama batuma uriya mukobwa yitangira ikihebe. Ese ahabwa ngana iki?
Maybe she didn't.
Wasanga tana mwitangiye.
Slipped.
She didn't slip.
Yabaye par accident. Ntabwo byari par accident.
Right at me.
Yabanje kundeba, she was looking right at me.
She saw what I was about to do and
Yabonye ibyo nanjye gukora kuko
She wouldn't know what she was looking at.
uriya mukobwa ntabwo arazi ibyo areba. Uriya mukobwa si mu gisirikare yabimenya ati.
She's a hooker.
Uriya mukobwa ni abakobwa bigurisha.
A high-priced one, but...
Wasanga ari bya bikobwa wenda bimaze kuzamura ibiciro afite amahembe agatubutse.
she threw herself in front of a bullet to
Amafaranga bwoko ahabwa ku buryo yakwitangira umuntu.
protect him.
Agasa nkaho yamurindaga.
Now, if he was such a terrible person,
Man, umuntu nkuriya w'umunyabyaha mubi cyane.
why would she do that?
Niyo bava tumura mukobwa mwitangira.
Doesn't matter. It was a good kill.
Man, ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa cyane nuko wapimye umuntu twagomba kwica.
That's what we do.
Crook
Ibyo
it
ryo dukora.
the first time.
Man, nakumvisha bwa mbere wibisubiriramo.
Man,
Wikomeza kubivuga buri kanya.
If he was a solid, upstanding citizen, he would have never been a target in the first place.
Turiya mukobwa nawe kandi iyo aba ari umuturage usanzwe ntabwo akaba yitangiye ikihe bivuze ngo bose bisa nkaho bari baziranye.
If she didn't want to catch a bullet,
Iyo badashaka kuraswa
she should have been in fucking bed with him.
yakaba ari mu buriri aryamye.
That makes her dirty.
Bivuze ngo uriya mukobwa ni umunyabyaha.
It's simple.
Badiringaga iki se? Babonye umuntu bandi bagasobanura imbere y'itangazamakuru abantu bose yose bareba.
Simple fuck.
Ntacyo bikanga. Bari babiziranyeho. Jensi maniga byarambabaje. Bwa mbere no kurasa mugenzi byabanje kumunanira.
Tam.
Tamu arimo arahamagara.
With it.
Akira muvugane.
Yeah.
There you go. Kongeza amafege.
Hey, Sam. I heard it was rough.
Bite Sam, numvise ko bitari byoroshye.
Yeah.
Cyane.
Okay.
Meze neza se?
Yeah. Great.
Meze neza cyane.
Collateral damage, Sam.
Ati baritekana namba ribara muza kajorite.
You need to talk to someone.
Ariko ugomba gushaka umuntu muganira.
I don't need a fucking shrink, Tam, okay?
Sam nta nyene nta nyene zo congo za unyereza. Nta bikobwa nyene biza kunturisha. Sawa nabyumva.
I'm here, but trust me, we are righteous on this.
Ati ndahari rwose kandi muyizere ko ibintu twakoze byari byanya byari bikwiye. Ntagomba kwituza ibyakoze ko umuntu utwishe twagomba kumuvana mu nzira nawe mu akazi.
Think so?
Niko biceka se.
All my life, I would not have put you in a situation like that if it weren't.
Ati rwose umusore muto unyizere ndakuyoboye ntabwo naguca muri situation idakwitse cyangwa sidakwiriye. Ibintu nakoze byari bikwiye.
Doesn't make it any easier, does it?
Nta kintu na kimwe bijyanyumvisha.
Or I go down easy. So easy.
Mwana bigenze gake n'ubundi byarangiye nta kisubiza inyuma.
Listen.
Sam nyumva neza.
Take some time off.
Banza ufate akaruhuko.
There's nothing on the horizon.
Nta bintu bijya byana kenshi nkuko tubyifuza. Banza utahe mu rugo uburuhutse.
See when I resurface, okay?
Sawa ndaza gusubiza numva ameze neza. Genzo yamutanze raporo yuko adatuje.
What?
Ekis.
Dick.
Banu uri umuswa bro.
And?
Hanyuma kuba no umuswa mehindura y'iki? Erega no kugira ubwenge nta araga hato. Jazire bwatinze bavuye mu ijobu. Baza hakuno.
Grab a bite to eat, a beer.
Reka tukajya gusanyira tugasanya n'akabyeri. Ndatumeze neza.
I was just fucking around with all the God talk, you know.
Got
That.
nothing.
Mani naganira nabirenze mwana. Keni bireke.
All right.
Ni ba mushuti.
Why don't you come to Amsterdam?
Ese mwana wadasuye muri Amsterdam.
Get laid.
Tukajya hasi tukadukorana imyitozo tugasangira umubyeri.
Yeah. What's wrong?
Mani bifata nk'umuntu ukiri muri high school.
If you're still in high school.
Rero ukiri muri high school.
I understand what you're saying is
Mani
that
byumva ndabyumva gusa.
whole refusing to grow up, is that it?
Mani n'umuntu umuswa waze gukura ku ngufu.
Why don't you go fuck?
Gukura rega ntago ari imbaraga wagiye kwibyaga pando.
That all of you, well.
Mwana urakuze ariko ntago wifata nk'abantu bakuze.
Hey, you went cockeyed. It's not the first time.
Ntago ari ubwa mbere mbwiye amagambo nta nubwo binanunguye ariko bibaye byizaza muri Amsterdam.
Bad luck.
Tukaba turi kumwe tukanjoyinga tukajyana ibihe byiza. Boss basize imodoka zabo ziri hakuno. Tayari. Job irarangira ariko mugenzi. Samba mwaye akaruhuko ngo agenda abanza tuze muri we. Yarashe umuntu mugenzi biramubabaza. Cyake nicyo gihora muri blague nacyo nabikibwiye. Bwatinze. Mensi zarageze irihirika. Buriya kenshi abantu bashaka kujya muri vacation ava mu mujyi akajya ahantu mbari mu cyariyo. Niko abantu benshi baruhuka mu mutwe ugahungura urusaku rwa Kigali. Kajya nyine mbari ya mbari. Ariko igitangaje vana ngo giye mu karuhuko ukagiye Gisenyi. Hari urusaku kure kuruzi rw'ubusizi Kigali. Tayare maniga yizi hakuno majama uriya. Aha wenda nka Bugesera Nyabwishongo yizi Nyaga White. Hirya ukagenda ukabaca impande y'inka. Urumva nubwo nawe hinduka menka gake ariko nta kibazo. Nta muntu nutse. Genzi maniga hakuno 50 aho yukoze iki? Aza kuruhukira. Fata inka hakuno akaza kwasinywe. Hey, ni therapy. Ariya therapy ubwo navuga ngo mu Kinyarwanda na. Ko buryo bumwe bwo kuba watuza mu mutwe. Kenya yatangiye kujya hamagara mu nshuti ibere hakuno harimo arasi biti tayari. Nakitozo. Kama saa y'icuma yamara kwitunganya fata akabyeri nk'ibisanzwe. Buriya abantu babazi ukuntu bakorera amafaranga yabo nuko bayarya ariko diski buriya abanyafrika nako reka kutunga bari intoki. Buriya gusirimukana ibintu bizagora abantu. Umuntu akorera amafaranga yajya kuyarya akajya kwiyica bro. Ukajya kwiyahuza bya surudu wirukankwa ibiyoga ukiyica ukaza kweri. Amafaranga yakuriye yiki. Hey, kumwe soga senepa naga naje kirimo. Ha umwana inzoga zisirimutse. Sobanutse. Kumbe nyirabuja Tamara atangira guhamagara. Aramumyuringa. Arabana baje bimizi ngo bazi cyongeza ngo muting ngo kumumyuringa. amaze kumumuringa za hakuno kuzibura imbunda buriya ngo imbunda imaze iminsi nayo itagira iragira ikaziba arazibura itarasa kwa abantu baza kuruhuka kuri yakoreye amafaranga ye akiraho maniga haje wolf yakuze imaze gukurira agenda irahora shaka rero filime sasa maniga shiramo arebye wolf kunireba amaso yayo rimwe n'umweru dede irindi urera kurebana n'inyamaswa mu mazi gatubona ko ari inyamahoro rangije erikomereza
Happy hunting, friend.
Tugira umuhigo mwiza nshuti. Happy hunting, friend. Telefoni irongera sona. Bwa mbere yahamagawe arayimiyoringa. Barongera baramuhamagara. Yitonze.
Hey, Tam.
Yego Tam. Nyirabuja.
I'm good. What's up?
Ya meze neza meze bite?
Oh, you know, just hanging out.
Ya ndahanga bari bere mu rugo. Bikijya mbere. Aha, yego. Bwatinze. Imbari ndi job yabonetse. Ku buryo urwara vuba vuba. Tayari kumeza rwa mushuti. Uyiwe ngo yanze gukura.
Fucking service.
Bwara rwose ahise gufata ikirere.
How many emails and texts are you gonna ignore from me?
Bwara uzanchoma kutagira ngwandikira ama email ama message.
You know your girlfriend was almost losing her fucking mind because you're out.
My girlfriend mother kwandikira nuna musubiza.
I'm sure he was gonna show up.
Bane oera Tamara ramwuba kikuri inshuro.
This would be here. Oh.
Ntabwo nahise rwose munemera akaza ko Tamara wamwemereye.
You see? You had faith.
Turafite ibyiringiro ndabikunze nabyo.
2 words for you. Blow me.
Oh.
Agamba biri basazi wawe mesa.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro nawe kiryaga pando.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro nawe. Ni bwatinze. Bazana hakuno. Dore umujyi. Baba ni gabaye witata we.
Frankfurt.
Baba ze muri Frankfurt.
So how was Amsterdam?
Man Amsterdam aremeze gutase.
New low in terms of sexual excess.
Tusibye ikintu cyari cyaraneze no kugakubita nta kindi.
Very hungover.
Ni rwose ntangova yarandenze kubera kugakubita cyane. Wamunani uterwa n'amayoga.
Tam, say anything else?
Hari ikintu Tamara yabakugese.
About the job.
Uriko maze bijyanye n'akazi se?
No, about
Oya. Nabijyanye nanjye nyine.
about me.
Naje nakumbwiye Tamara. Bamundamu y'ubakazi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ndebutse.
Don't forget to pack your binoculars.
Yambwiye ngo nkubwire ngo nibagirwe gupakira za jomeri zawe.
So you can see your tiny cock.
Kugira ngo ujye ukurura akabanda yawe gatoyi.
No.
Shoferi agenda yisekera.
Why?
Ngo rwiyorera muri buraga masazo rwa Ken.
Tam, this morning.
Tamara twavuye muri gitondo.
After this, I'm done.
Bullshit.
Yambwiye ngo nyuma y'akazi ngo barata bansezerera. Ngo umwanda.
I'm not joking.
Bana ntabwo urimo urakina.
Can't. I'm serious.
Ken ndi serious. Tamara twavuye namubwiye nyuma y'aka kazi ndahita mba retire ndahita mva mu kazi. Ni job ya nyuma.
It's time.
Nicyo gihe. Job tuyikoze imyaka 10 n'ingahe? Almost 20 years. So nicyo gihe mbe retired. Asagabo ziza hakuno.
Nice, right?
Mana hano arasa neza.
That's unusual anyway.
Ntabwo byumvikana uburyo batuzana ahantu nk'aha.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Rakaza neza abagabo. Komeza imbere.
For you?
Babakiriza ibyo kunywa. Aya mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa. Ken wakunda kuryoshya.
Take your bags.
Mozari bikapu byanyu banyakubahwa.
Okay.
Ntabwo arabyumva.
Okay.
Please.
Babakiriye muri hoteli yaze kandi ni abanyabiraka.
Prick.
Muswa gusa.
Maybe.
Wenda da. Cyakene nicyo kikunda kuryoshya amaze apfa kuba atari mu kazi.
Yeah.
There you go.
Donkey. Oh, that's unfair.
Bari byo ntabwo bikwiye nunga twenano ari abantu utazi.
Oh, only the fucking donkeys flying.
Mukenda koresha ivugo zitari sawa.
We get more donkeys, right? That's not
Ngana ari rwose amapunda menshi abari amapunda yose nta punda bitari ipunda.
assholes breed like fungus.
Bana rwose uri umuswa birenze uko bikeka gusa.
Fungi.
Ati wenda icyo waba ushaka cyose nta kibazo.
We're fungi.
Bana uri umuntu ushimishije. Basi zitari black bwari mwenga.
Ouch. Nice segue though. Yeah.
Koresha imvugo nziza.
I'm so
Kandi byari byiza.
can't enjoy it.
Njye ndabyengiye ngakuvuga amagambo atameshe. Babazanye muri hoteli. Bakanano buto.
Are you sure this is our room?
Baraje jabize ngo icyumba cyo utuzanyemo.
Yes, yes.
Kana buto mari dakikuraho.
Yeah?
Argo saro no babateguriye. Benekira. Babazanye muri etage ruhera kuri floor ya nyuma. Brett.
You sure? Right?
Uri sure hano no twagomba gutura.
Yeah?
Cyara rwose no babateguriye. Cyumba kirimo akabari.
Hey, Ken, check it out.
Ken gurire mwana.
It's silk sheets.
Yama silk sheet, yama shuka ya silk.
The bed again.
I shit the bed once.
Bari cyo tana bari sa mwana. Wera yitu umuntu agikwera ibyakora byose nacyangiza.
Thank you.
Akira akantu hano hakuno. Babasukira champagne. Ken nibwo buzima yishakira bworoke.
Sam, she's upgraded us.
Ati rwose no Rwanda rwatamara natunganyirije hano hantu.
Seeing as it's our last run together, it's a present.
Ati rwose ni nkari imana ko ari uwo mukino wa nyuma tugiye gukorana. Wibuko yereze byo Tamara ko ari bukore akazi ka nyuma. Sasa Tamara abatunganyiriza hano ari VIP ahenze cyane. Ati na akazi ka nyuma tugiye gukorana. Akira nawe champagne murakoze nago nkwa.
Hey, would you mind closing the curtains, please?
Ari cyazo bayifunza ayo marido.
Sunset. We'll be...
Ati arakazuba keza.
It's great.
Mukanya murabwije ariko mwareka.
Thanks.
Yafunge amarido.
Appreciate it.
Kandi ndabishimye.
Yeah, we'll figure out the rest. Thanks.
Ibindi tuzaza kumenya mu nyuma kandi urakoze.
As you wish.
Nkuko mubyifuza.
I'm Mirko.
Banta Mirko.
If you need anything.
Niba ugira icyo mukenera.
Anything. Just call.
Icyo ari cyo cyose muhamagare gusa.
Thank you.
Sawa murakoze. Ngo nyirabuja bateguriye ahantu hari VIP cyane benjoyinga ubuzima.
Hey, we
cyane kumwe ko kazi ka nyuma. Bana urize n'ahantu nkaha.
No. I remember it.
Hana niko mbyibukasha nawe nigeze n'ameze gutyo.
Deja vu.
Hana habirenze ariko.
I said deja vu in case you missed.
Ndavuze ngo deja vu mwana. Munyuta yishimiye.
Come on.
Gwinan.
Give it to me.
Ngaho basi mereza ibyo ngibyo.
And I'm fucked.
What is
Nanu ugiye kuva mu kazi ngiye kuraburiza. Uravuga ibikize.
I'm a spotter. They don't need me.
Ndi spotter. Ndi umuntu gucungira mu rugendo gupima ntago banyene njyewe.
Shit, you can shoot.
Nawe warasa.
Like you.
Ntago ngora ko narasa kozi ntago narasa nkawe. Sasa mugenzi kene maramubwira ati uramuka uvuye muri kano kazi nyina indi job nzabona.
Where are your abilities, do you?
Mwana we ntagusa ububasha bwawe n'ubushobozi bwawe.
I've only lasted this long in the company because I partnered well with you.
Ati mwana natinze muri company nyirambamo kubera ko twakorana nari partner wana n'umwunganizi wawe.
You! Why do you think Tam flirts with you all the time? You're the best fucking shooter we got. And everybody knows it.
You're selling yourself short.
Being honest. I could think on my feet, get out of tight spots.
I'm
a smooth operator. I'm a way better fuck.
Very.
I ain't you. Nobody is.
It's a good kill, Sam.
Man, what wish you it
was legal, sanctioned, unjust. Why can't you just fucking get that?
That woman sacrificed herself, Ken, okay? She sacrificed herself. Did you do that for someone?
For that motherfucker?
No, I mean for anyone. Who?
You fucking ass clown!
Exactly my point. And that is why you gotta leave, bro, because I'm a risk to you now. Understand that I'm a risk to you. The day that I shot that woman, something changed in me, okay? Hey, everything changed. I'm a different person now.
cyakeni cyarababaye.
Staring through a scope my whole fucking life, and now I want to see what it's like without it, you know?
Man, sinshaka kuzaba buno buzima rwose, ndashaka kubaka umuryango, ndashaka umugore n'ibyarire, nimenye ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu basanzwe.
I'm sorry, bro.
Kandi wihangane bro, kuba ngiye kuva muri kano kazi, kandi wazi ko maniga naramukavuye muri kano kazi, nta yandi mafaranga azongera gukoraho.
Really? I am.
Kuko bari kumwe niyo mpamvu abona ibiceri. Kandi wihangane bro.
And I get why you feel like that, but I'm done.
Bane sinzi ko bifata ariko akazi nabirangije.
Okay? That's it. I'm out.
Ndakazi nakavuyemo.
I'm sorry.
Kandi wihangane mwana.
Fuck!
Anda. Saze sana.
How did Tamara take it?
None se Tamara yabyakiriye ati. Mabuja.
Yeah, well, she wasn't happy.
Ntago nawe byamunejeje.
But, you know, she wasn't surprised either.
Usibye ko nubwo byanamutunguye nubwo bitamunejeje. What expecting a wow.
I thought she'd throw a epic shit fit, to be honest.
Ati ntago mabona yarangira gutyo gusa. Nakubeshye.
To be honest, she said the same thing about you.
Nawe nanjye niko yakumbwiyeho.
Yeah, well, I do love a hissy fit.
Sibye ko mwana nashimye ibyo tujyanye. Nyirabuja ntabwo yabyishimiye.
Really, I am, but
mwana Ken umbabarire.
Just feels like it's time.
Ngende kumva aricyo gihe mve muri kano kazi.
So, this is it then?
Bivuze ngo naha kazi turangirije.
This is it.
Nibyo mwana niko bimeze.
One last dance to square us.
Mane dusigare kubyina imbyino ya nyuma cyangwa se job ya nyuma nkacomoka.
Help. Nothing lasts forever, right?
Mwana nobone nta biramba iteka.
Got a penthouse.
Akabani gashire.
Champagne.
Reka twinywera champagne nakundi.
That loves the night. We got what?
Nobone nijoro ryatari.
Before we have to be out in the boonies.
Dusigare iminsi ngahe mbere ko tutahindukana.
As well enjoy.
Reka tumwemo. Ntago byatuma niyeba ku buryo numva ko ubuzima burangiye ko tutandukanye.
You're a good friend.
Mwana njye nawe turi inshuti magara, turi inshuti nziza.
What time you noticed?
Bwa mbere urabisobanukiwe noneho.
I also have a humongous
ego.
Atangira zamvugo ze.
Is that what we're gonna do now? We're gonna
tuzakora iki?
Other sentence.
Interuro yacu narangirira hano cyangwa.
Have to, right? Because otherwise you're not going to stop talking about it.
Ndabizi tutari bakire kuvuga bakira arabakomanze.
They need one of those cards to get the elevator to this floor.
Arya amakarita afungura sanseri.
Yeah.
Baretse gato. Baza hakuno.
God.
Baba nutwuje tubiri. Yeah, bite.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here for your massages.
Batwereje ngo tuakore ka massage. Urebe filime.
A gift from management and your boss.
Ni impano ya management yi hotel hamwe na boss wanyu.
You know the word of the day?
Yeah.
Ijambo ry'umunsi riri. Mwatubwira ijambo ry'umunsi.
Haberdashery?
Haberdashery?
Haberdashery.
Baba ari ukuntu abasirikare bagira kode kugira ngo yinjire ahantu. Abari nk'ijambo rya kode rigomba kwinjiza aho hantu.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, tumeze neza.
Come on up.
Sawa mwirire kende n'abakingurira.
2 hot chicks.
Bari ibyo bibiri nk'ibi. Ufuceceka nunda no mupadiri bwawe.
Now I believe in God.
Kenny yikundira gutsinda n'abana nta kindi. Kenny. Ay, iyi niyo sinarotaga. Aibe.
First class all the way, right?
Man, ibi nibyo narotaga bro. Kumbe uyimeraho nka padiri we.
Tell me you're not gonna miss this.
Nezere ko ntazabikumbura.
Not going to miss this.
Yewe sinzabikumbura pe.
Sack of shit.
Bari kubura uryamye gutya umwana yemara ku masa. Rupantaro.
Sorry, what's your name?
Harya muretse gato witwa?
Her name is Mona.
Bamwita Mona.
I am Lily.
Jenitwa Lily.
Mona, you mind closing the drapes, please?
Ariko byabigutwa biramutse ufunze ayo madirishya.
It gives me an itch having it open, okay? Just please.
Ntago bari byiza mufungiyo.
Whatever relaxes you.
Ikigo guha amahoro rwose turagikora. Sara cyo bitwaye ifunga yo marido.
Ready?
Uriteguye?
You know what? I'm not sure I'm up for it.
Sinzi ibyo kuvuga ngo niteguriye ibyari byo gusa.
I'm not really into it.
Ntago mbirimo pe.
What did I tell you about him?
Daraganje mabwa kuri uyu muvandimwe wanjye.
What did I say?
Nkuko nabivuze.
His tight ass can't even enjoy a rub and tug.
Uyu niwe muntu utajya benshi kubuzima nk'abandi basore bose.
Wanna lay down?
Uretse gato ngumase. Aka kavayo. Uretse gato ngangwe cyane nkwereke.
Over here. Come.
Kwina nkwereke. Notkucho wabarere ngo tubakorere massage.
Okay.
Okay. karangije charure bana gutya.
What are we doing here?
Urakora ibiki?
Adjusting your chakra.
Ndema nareba chakra yawe.
Oh, adjusting my...
Cyangwa se cyo nakutanga igeno.
Oh, she's got hidden talents.
Ukaba sanga afite impano zihishe.
What else can the lovely Mona do, huh?
Ese mbona n'ikindi wakora?
I can tell you your future.
Ushaka kuba nakubwira ahazaza hawe.
Oh, you can?
Wabikora se?
She's a fortune teller.
Yeah, sure.
What a fortune teller.
Yes.
Gote.
You're wasting your time with him, doll.
Hey, mko musore muri ateri turi barangiza igihe cyawe.
He's a spiritual black hole.
Oh, musenze mu mutima we habamo umwijima gusa sinzi ko amufatisha.
I used to say, everyone has a spirit.
Mama njya kuda kumbwira ko buri muntu agira roho cyangwa se umwuka umugendaho.
Whether they believe in it or not.
Sinzi wabugiza cyangwa utabyiza ariko nta muntu utagira roho.
Used to read palms.
Mama yakunda gusoma ibiganza.
I learned from her.
Oh, not any fortune teller.
Hey, wow, sanga avuga ibintu byazaza.
Next thing I know, you'll be telling me you got a crystal ball.
Ibyo mbwira byose ariko ndumva confidence ariko ntabwo napfa kubyizera confidence nazifite.
Really?
Get the
Uri serious?
For real?
Muko uri serious wasoma azaza umuntu?
I carry it with me all the time.
Ati nimaro nakuye kuri mama ariko nanyina igihe cyose.
Yeah?
Okay.
For luck.
Kubw'amahirwe.
I will tip you a solid 100 if you show me your crystal ball.
Ngaho bazi nyereka uriya crystal ball cyangwa se ya mipira yerekana impano z'abantu ndabwo amadolari 100.
Okay.
Wow, ibyo gusa.
She's literally going to get the ball right now.
Agiye kuzana agapira nonaha. No upira bukoreshwa n'abagabo ba gypsy cyangwa se ba gypsy bavuga ibintu byazaza. Kubaragira iyo myizerere. Kumbe ko byanya byo mukobwa afite ya crystal ball.
Wizard shit.
Ati wozo sika agapira ko muri Harry Potter bakoreshaga bare byazaza. Buretse gato.
See you use it. I've never had.
Kanyereka basi uburyo ugakoresha. Kugira bazaza hanye muri crystal ball.
Confess the ball is just a prop for tourists.
Ati ntago ari ibintu byo gukinisha ndabona mwabigize nk'ari blague. Ubaye serious agatukisha kwa tourist.
But the palms are for real.
Oshaka kutizera ile crystal ball ariko ibiganza byo abari byanyabyo. Ndarahira ku buzima bwanjye ibiganza nibyo bibeshya palms never lie.
All right. Say no more.
Hey, usawe vuga byinshi ngwino ndebere. Ndebe kikiganza cyaje kivuga.
You don't like to stay in one place.
Ati usanga uri umuntu udakunda kwicara ahantu hamwe.
And you don't wish to grow old.
Kandi ntabwo yifuza gusaza kandi nkuko manika niko ameze.
You want to be a bad boy your whole life.
Ushaka kuzaba ari umusore uryoshye ibihe byawe byose.
Oh yeah. Ladies.
Kumbe umukobwa yavuze imbyanya byo manika niko ameze.
Yes, I see much physical exertion is.
Niyo mpamvu wari mu sport umukiri mutoya.
I like her.
Mukobwa aramwishimiye pe. Arashimishije.
What about my boy over there?
Ngasoma ibiganza bya mushiti wanjye.
What does his say?
Wekiganza gisobanuye iki? Wowe ugafata ikiganza ngaho katurebe. Urebe.
You wait.
Oh, I'm excited.
Mana njye natungwe pe.
What?
Koba bati ikiganza.
What is it?
Yikangamo. Yewe ni iki? Ndiyavuga.
Ladies, they love you too.
Yewe nawe abagore baragukunda. Asa nkaho ari byahishe.
Okay, and what else?
Hanyuma n'iki kindi wabonye?
I thought you didn't believe.
Ariko wambwiye ko ibintu utabyizera.
I don't believe. I just.
Ntabwo mbyizera gusa.
I don't know. Curious. What else?
Mwana mfigiza amatsiko gusa n'ikintu ubonye.
What you see?
Wambwiye ibintu ubonye wambwiye.
No, you have a strong faith.
Ugira ukwizera gukomeye. Gusa.
But what?
Gusa iki?
But you follow a false idol.
Sorry, doll. You whiffed that one.
Echabazo giskwase.
There is a non-believer of the highest order.
Natuniwe umuntu wo ku rwego rwe rutadapfa kwizera.
Just not for long.
Arizera ahubwo nanganya izera by'igihe kirekire.
Time Peter?
Da. Mwamuje ne pizza cyangwa iki? Ahubwo sanga hari ibinda muhishe. Kadufata ikintu cyo kunywa.
Why not?
Kicyambuza kunywa se. Bakiraho. Babwe nyirabuja ya Tanzania biciri babito rwose.
No expense, huh?
Bwana bintu natari kabisa. Abintu byo twabateguriye. Udufurui. Bazana ko udufurui.
Dili, открой шторы.
Afgani kiri batazi.
Заткнись.
Arajugunye. Asike kibazo. Maniga fayo. Aho muri hoteli. Sanga yirukanye abakobwa yewe.
Don't want those doors open.
Yewe ufa amadirishya yafungura. kugira ngo yinjire akayaga murye rwose ameze neza mureba hanze
Close the curtains.
ndavuze ngo funga amarido nonaha funga imiryango
Grump, I love this. Look, you can see for miles here.
maniga arebye neza arajya hakurya wina tane isasu byanyabyo we mugire vuba vuba baza babagambariye kandi umeze neza hakurya kuyewe uramubonye ndamubonye ari kwina taje majyepfo y'uburasirazuba y'uburengerazuba southwest
Paper glass, reinforced.
icyo bita
The shots are off.
mwana
Shut those drapes. Where's that remote?
telekomandire dufungane amadirishya tayare ngo masasu kumbe aseriveri nabo nabicanyi na seriveri kazi karamwataka mujari vuba byihuse.
Keep your head down.
Barekira umutwe hasi arahaguruka ndabyikemurira kik gakobwa ndakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe urya shoko ku giti ukwezi kose rakayuri kik yajya mugakogora ko turore baba tumye habicanyi taje barimo gakobwa amuzonga yewe tatadicaho kamuze yewe umusniper ari hakurya atambika gakobwa baragaho cyebwe dawe ha seriveri wunda vayo aza gufata telekomandi funga marido kick
shit fuck him up Sam.
Samu mani arwana Samu agishize imbere ye kiri kuri opposite n'indirisha n'ubundi wapima yapima igiseriveri Samu marakitsimbamu asenze sha seriveri nakubwiye box mavu kuri bitandatu byawe byashoka kwezi kose.
Come on, stop toying with me.
Man Samu akubise umusaza ukagukina inzozo mburaga zawe man umusaza nawe nindwanye bagabo ziragigira mushyira hasi mucisha bugufi.
Who do you work for?
ukorera ndi irya nk'apando yewe habura gato yewe bagabo kivaze mena mazuru
Goddamn curtains are open.
Mana mariza fungue bwana.
Focus.
Sam focusing.
Assholes down, 2 across the way to go.
Abasenza bari hasi abana bari hakuri muri etage. Bini bikiri ku. Nokubera iki? Totek.
Damn, your phone?
Sam telefone yawe.
It's in my jacket in the back.
Naise kuja kwete mu cyumba. Yawe. Nagahiri nahagera.
Case.
Naza kasi yawe yimbunda.
Get to it. Where's your
Case iri kuri kontwari yakabari.
sidearm?
It's it.
None umwande imbunda ziri kure.
Bedroom.
You put it in the safe? Why did you put it in the goddamn safe?
Naraza kuchimbunda yashyize muri safe umwana.
I don't know, I just wanted to put it in a safe place.
Nashaka kwikira warizwe n'amabara yashyize mu kabati.
Shit. Fuck.
Anda.
Leave my cover here.
All right, Ken.
Mani Ken.
You got a spot to move to?
Nakuwana nagupfa kubusha ushaka kubusha gato agatakurasa. Anyway. Hano ni filme yiswe take cover. Ja cover.
3.
And 3.
1.
Limye. Kabiri. Yana bayo. Chawe. Bamara sirju mumeso. Anyway. Bana we.
That's my ass cheek.
Bana mumeso anje bara open the bro. Yiran witsi hangane.
Yeah, I'm good.
Anyway.
Lily.
Mana.
Lily, listen.
Riri tuza we mamwa bakamutuze.
Stay calm, okay?
We tuza muko.
Head down.
Shira utwanyu hasi gusa.
Down. You understand what I'm saying?
Uranje vidari maravuga cyane.
Down.
Mubwira amagambo ari kuvuga.
Lili, smiri se.
Bafikiri bavuga ari gicuru twani.
Lili, odgovori mi.
Arasunika arumva.
Slušaj.
Yewe Lili umva.
Stani.
Bas tu kanu maza gufite. Just blood pressure mutima guterera hejuru.
Besides we're fucked?
Yeah, but
Mana turaraburije. Ya turaraburije nyine.
None.
Twade tekereza.
come on, Ken. This is what you do, right?
Kandi simye ibintu kandi ibintu dukora sibyo.
This is your shit. What?
Kandi wawe uzikurebera sniper hari mevuze ngo ushaka ko wamenya bitarano sniper aho umuntu yacica cyangwa yakwepera.
What do we do? Think about it.
Yeah.
Mani bazitekereza nzora byo twakora iki? Twajije nganya mu sniper tukaba twavana amahoro.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa.
Yeah, I got this.
Benabikemura.
Let me think.
Baza nekereze.
The lights.
Amatara mwana amatara.
Lights.
Amatara.
We can take a couple of lights out, okay?
Tuzimya amatara makeya. zimya irya mbere no yazimya irindi.
That'll do for now.
Byakora wenda.
But there are still lights.
Ariko harandi matara akiri maraka.
No, we don't want it completely dark.
Oya ntabwo dushaka umwijima ko usaza umwijima.
Why? Then
They have
oya ntabwo twazimya amatara yose.
night vision scopes on.
Bashaka kuba bakoresha night vision.
Half light is better than no.
Bivuze ngo kuba ari urumuri ruke rutari rwinshi cyangwa atari umwijima.
Light, okay?
Nibyo byiza.
Girls, who has a phone here?
Yango bakora n'utu telefone.
I do.
Ndayifite. Irihe?
In my bag.
Iri mu gakapu kanjye.
Where's your bag?
Gakapu kanjye karihe? Kuri tabure.
I might as well be in China.
Nyagasana gakapu kari kurajya mu Bushinwa.
Lily, talk to me.
Lily vugisha.
Talk to me.
Kano katitiye namwe bashaka kuvuga.
Lily.
Oya.
Lily odgovori mi.
Lily banza wumve.
Lily telefon.
Telefone.
Lily ne znam da. She's so scared she's forgetting English.
Umva yagize ubwoba kurya agize natajya kwibagirwa icyongereza.
In her bag too, but she
telefone mu gikapu cye nawe.
doesn't know where it is.
Ariko ntabwo azabirambitse agakapu ke.
Well, let's take a look for it.
Ngaho basi tuyishake telefone ye.
Stay down. Stay.
Guma hasi mugo. Tabush.
You see her?
Yeah, I can see.
Sam uri kumubona.
Watch Sam for cues. Do not move until he says
Komeza urebe maso ya Sam ku buryo utari bubuze sibyo. Aho uri aratekanye. Manika baryamutwitse ku muhumetso. Ken wakora biki?
a fucked up version of Tetris with live ammunition.
Bane twebwe ibintu twakoze kuva kera ibintu.
Shot. Oh, okay. Thanks, Dad.
Bane bakurasha bakoze papa. Kubungira impu.
Baby, I see it.
Bane kapuru bona kabona.
First.
You get to it?
Hang tight, folks.
Kadagera ne uri cyara simbuka.
Wait.
What's
Mona? Ken's gonna dive behind the pillar.
Ken agiye gusimbuka kana kantu sibyo?
Come to me.
Asimbukire kunuza kunyingira ukize mukuzano.
Ready?
Uriteguye?
Ready, Ken?
Ken uriteguye? Ken asimbuka n'umukobwa atasimbuka za hakuno. Enda turuba. Chawe. Sasu. Ken itsimbano. Kobwa nabaza hakuno.
Keep trying, son.
Abazgerageza mwabasema na mwapima.
I was an itch in my dick.
Kwagusa.
God damn it, you lunatic.
Aro musazi kweli.
You're welcome, man.
Kazareza bro.
You know,
bana mukandara.
I've been thinking.
Bana samna ni muratekereza ibiki?
I watched a game of baseball last night.
Bana George yasere bya match ya baseball. Cyo kibayihurira muri Braga amasaha yose.
I tried to tell you, bro.
Bana gerageje kubwira. Tawe. Kano karajire. Bebo tatawe. Afite ubwoba.
Stay down.
Waguma hasi wakagoryiwe.
Down.
Mahasi.
Da se pomeraš, Lili!
Uramubwira mu gicuncu ari kirimi kiwabo.
Upravo ti je spas
Lili umva.
život.
Stay down.
Tuza uhame hamwe.
I'm not gonna let you go, I got it.
Ntago natuma uraburiza urumva.
Ken, she's fucking losing it, bro.
Ken uyu mukobwa yatangiye gupanika, atangiye gucyuha mu mutwe.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Agakapana gakurura ni Ken.
I got it.
Nakabonye agakapu.
All right.
Ndangije.
I need her security code for the phone. What is it?
Nene kode yi telefone. Password.
Koja ti je šifra?
Avaga mu kirimi kiwabo.
I need the security code.
Nene kode y'ifungura
I
telefone.
need the security code in English.
Mu cyongereza please.
5150.
5150.
All right.
Sawa. Haro yahamagaye.
Ocean Valley Insurance.
Ocean Valley Insurance.
May I direct your call?
Negute nabayobora umuhamagaye.
Claims case 6661.
Mumpamagariye 661.
Please hold while we verify.
Mbaretse gato mu gihe tugirimo turaverifiya.
Ken, why are you calling on this number?
Call Ken kuchamagaje nimero.
Not be a code.
Code blue? Yeah.
Code blue.
We're under fire.
Bana turimo turaraswa. Hamagaye nyirabuja.
Okay, just keep talking.
Komeza uvuge.
Where are you?
Muri hehe.
The hotel.
Turi kuri hotel muri penthouse.
There's nothing but windows and very little cover.
Ati rwose tutarano mamara dupira mu mirahure nako mu madirisha.
Sam and I are pinned down.
Kumbuka bwira nyirabuja kuri kuri machine.
We're alive.
Njye na Sam rwose twaraburije.
Sam, anything to add to that?
Hari ikintu wakongeraho.
Hurry up and get us the fuck out of here.
Umbarata Tamara gira vora y'uburyo cyo tuvana hano.
Any idea who we're dealing with?
None se mwamuza muhanganye nabo.
I don't know, but the shooter's in a tower to my southwest.
Nta kintu tuzibya kuri muraseri mbare nyepfo y'uburengerazuba. Southwest.
It's like
ari mu nyubako hejuru.
an apartment building, office space, something like that. Either way, we're trapped and we need
Bisa
to
ngari ibintu byari byapanzwe ko umuntu ari mu rugero madupana
get the fuck out of here.
muri etage irebana n'iyacu birebana.
Penthouse?
That's where you put us.
I did
Aho wadushize.
not.
Ntago ari abanyanyuko muri iyo hoteli.
Whose phone
Bikangamo.
are you using?
Aho muri telefone muri rwose ni yawandi.
The massage girls you sent up as a gift, which I'm presuming
abakobwa batwereje hano nk'ari abakobwa baje kudukorera massage mwadoye nk'impano ni telefone imwe muri abakobwa n'abakoresha sasa Tamara baramwe ngo hotel batwereje bone turimo unati mwibeshye nangare naboherejemo
Bullshit.
byo no mwanda.
It had the word of the day, Tam.
Bana abakobwa bari bazi n'ijambo ry'umunsi rituma twemerera umuntu kwinjira mu nzu yacu.
Are they still there? Alive?
Baracyari bazima se?
Yeah. There's a dead merc and the concierge was in on it too.
Yemwe mbikoze byano nicyo tumuntu yivuganye.
I was a secret
ariko abakobwa baracyari bazima.
Fucking ninja.
Gikobwa cy'igiserver cyane kimeze nk'ninja.
But the girls are civilian.
Ariko abakobwa bo n'abasivili.
Are you sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah. They're scared to death and not faking it.
Ati nagari na faking nkurikije ubwoba bafite n'ukuntu batitiye. Bibi ntabwo basanga bimenyera ibya gisirikare.
Then how did they get the word of the day?
None se gute wamenye ijambo ry'umunsi rituma mubemerera kwinjira? Kode yanyu y'ibanga.
We have them all, Tam. Someone set us up.
Ati ko biri koza dufite abasenze batugambaniye.
How many people knew we'd be here?
Ase ni bangaye bari bazi ko turi muri hotel.
It's a very short list.
Na abantu bakira n'umunsi ngo dukorana.
Look, this penthouse is running out of cover fast. We need help.
Ati mwana ibyo ngibyo twibite naho abari bazi aho turi nta kibazo dukeneye ubufasha byihuse.
Any more assets in town?
Hari abandi bantu batweze hano mu mujyi baza kudutabara.
I have some favors to call in. Keep
Ati abandi banze guhamagara mbere na mbere.
line open and sit.
Tabara telefone kandi mwicare mutuza sit tight.
Like we have a fucking choice.
None se tudatuje bwa rani mahitamo dufite. Kupege telefone.
It's turtle up.
Bakore bato. Mutuze na hani mahitamo.
Are they?
Oya karo gafite ubwoba.
Yeah, we're sending someone to help.
Baba giye kwereza ubufasha ni mugirwe ibyo na amasegonda. Babuje rwose ni umuntu ukomeye cyane. Baramuzi.
Just gotta keep your heads down.
Byose biramera neza.
Tell her.
Turasaba gushyira imitwe yacu hasi.
Lily, ostani dole.
Uyavuga mu gicunshwani.
There. No, don't look.
Boy, wireba you.
See them, that means they can see you. That's bad.
Baramutse muhuje amaso bari bibi cyane. Umutwe wawe ushyira hasi.
They're gonna choose their shots. They're looking for a kill shot.
Ati uko biri kose barashaka aho bapimira nta kindi.
Okay? Keep your head down.
Mimize ngo imitwe yanyu hasi. Komanda.
Why are they trying to kill you?
Hasi ubundi niyo mpamvu iri gutuma bashaka kubica. Lydia, mbona arabaza?
I don't know.
Nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
You did something,
Ari ikintu mwakoze.
didn't you?
Sibyo? Umuntu uzwe ntabwo umuntu yabyuka mu gitondo ngo aze kukwica ntacyo wamukoze.
We've done many things.
Bana twakoze byinshi.
That's not why this is happening.
Ntabwo ariyo mpamvu ibi byose birimo biraba. Amabara yo twakoze ni menshi.
I don't want to die.
Ntabwo nshaka gupfa.
You're not gonna.
Ntabwo napfa ntabwo muri bupfi.
Yeah.
Banyafite umwana w'umukobwa.
You're gonna see her again.
Uwo muri uraza kongera umubone.
Trust me.
Kandi unyizere.
Oh Lord, God, please help.
Bana ndufashe.
Hey, it's all right, hon.
Waye mutuze.
He's coming. Just sit tight.
Arabagiye kuduha ubufasha mutuze.
You know? The good guys.
Bantu beza baraza kudutabara.
Good guys like you?
Bantu beza nkamwe.
Yeah, like me.
Abantu beza nkanjye.
If you're such a good guy,
Iyo uri umuntu mwiza,
then why is someone trying to kill you?
niyo mpamvu yatuma umuntu abyuka mu gitondo agashaka kwica wowe.
I told you, I don't know.
Nakubwiye ngo nanjye mwanya sinzi impamvu ari kumiga.
What did you do?
Hasi umuntu utambe ikintu icyo wakoze.
Hurt someone,
Hari umuntu mwababaje se cyangwa?
and now they want to hurt you?
Byo ko byamera ko hari umuntu mwababaje nawe ushaka kwihorera. Nawe bababaza.
Yes.
Ya, sibyo?
Yeah.
Ya niko bimeze.
Yet you are the good guy.
Hanyuma ukambwira ko nawe uri umuntu mwiza. Ibyo ni ibintu bitumvikana.
We try to be, okay?
What?
Umva tugeza ko abantu beza. Rero gerageza cyane.
He's speaking for himself.
Arimo arivugira.
I like being a bad dude.
Nanjye nkunda ko umuntu mu bintu urugo rye rwa Kedi. Kanu karimo karasenga. Aravuga ikintu batumva. Arimo aravuga ibiki.
This love and love is real.
Ati arimo aravuga ngo Imana ni urukundo kandi urukundo rurwanyarwo. Niyo magambo arimo aravuga. Umurabera mene neza sibyo? Karumetwa ariye karume vu karumetwa. Karume. Hano no filime yiswe take cover. Kurya cover. Mukobwa isameze buri abasirikare bari bakajuga. Abasirikare abantu kurba babaye batangiye kweba kurba gutera kabiri zabo. Bagutera injuga.
How old's your daughter?
None se mukobwa we ratangana ati. Kugira ngo ibitekerezo bijya handi. Mfite imyaka 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's her name?
Harya yitwa nde?
Her name is none of your fucking business.
Wazina ry'umwana ntabwo bikureba wakigabo we.
Okay, fine.
Na mbasi mbabarire. Fane aratangiye kwebye mu ntekerezo.
You are no soldier.
we nta nubwo uri umusirikare.
I know what you are.
nzi icyo uri cyo.
I've seen many of your kind around here.
nabonye abantu nkawe babicanye impande yanjye kenshi.
You call yourself a soldier.
mwita abasirikare.
Really? You are just a kid.
ariko mu by'ukuri muri abicanyi gusa.
I've read it on your palms. You kill for money.
ati nkunasomye ibiganza byawe mbona akazi ukora wica kugira ngo ubone amafaranga. You kill for money.
What do you do for money, huh?
Nonese mukaba ukora iki kugira kubw'amafaranga?
What I do?
Ngibyo nkora ndabizi.
Yeah. You sell your ass.
nawe ugurisha umumetso wawe. Kandi ndagajyaza ntago yaguhereza. ati niba twatwica kugira ngo tubone amafaranga nawe urigurisha kugira ngo ubone amafaranga.
Lecturers.
rero witugira inama.
Do what I must to take care of my child.
Je nakora ikisabwa cyose kugira ngo nabone amafaranga yo kwita ku mwana wanjye.
Why do you do what you do?
wese niyo mpamvu tumukora ibyo mukora. twe turinda abantu. oya
Doing a bang up job so far.
ntago mwakora akazi k'ubwicanyi ngo murarinda abantu. izo ni inshingano.
Is that your mirror?
iyo nimero wari yawe cyane.
Give it to me.
yemereza.
Quick.
gira vuba yakamusunikira. nk'umusirikare urebe. fata kamera wari. urebe. areberamo.
Who was it that hired you for us tonight?
We got a call from Mirko the consul.
ati ninde watumye muzana iri joro.
Yes.
atwamagana na Mirko.
He said we were a gift.
ariko yavuze ko turi impano.
Sam, look out!
bayicunge. kumbe cya kigabo cya Mirko kirahaguruka. Mirko ariko nawe natuma. samwicunge mwana. Niga Keni tayari Keni arachambara. bagabo baraha. box bagabo bose ni ngwanyi. sonya boy kumwicanyi rya nyabyo. nakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe urarya show ku giti ukwezi kose.
I can't get to you.
bari ntabwo nakugeraho. box bya nyabyo. bagabo karenze bana muri etage. Keni itsimba hakuno. Ken meze neza?
Yeah, I'm good.
meze neza.
You see the phone?
nabana telefoni.
Phone?
telefoni.
Yeah, I got it.
iya ndayibona.
Yeah.
iya ndayibona.
Got it.
ndayifashe.
Good.
ayiwe neza cyane.
Hey, Ken.
Yeah.
yego.
Thanks, bro.
koze bro.
You saved my life.
rantabaye mwana. cyamushuti.
Worry about it.
bitindeho.
Worry about it.
sasu jaciye muri kani cyebwe datawe.
Don't worry about it.
we bitindaho. cyebwe bapimye mu rubaho rirahinguranye. datawe. Keni. Ken amasasu y'abasniper yari remereye acishije muri triplex. Ken maniga tayari. Nanda.
Fuck.
Eske.
Shit.
Oh. Ibyo bari bazi yuko. Hey. Filime yiswe Take Cover.
I think he's still breathing.
Nachaka kiri marahumeka.
He's breathing?
Nachahumeka.
Yes.
Yego.
You sure?
Are you sure?
Bleeding but still breathing.
Ari maravosi njaka kiri marahumeka. Bleeding but still breathing.
Come on, Tam, please.
Tam. Ayoko magana nyirabuja Tamara. Mana we.
Oh boy.
Mana twaza turapfa.
Oh boy.
What's she saying? What is she
saying? What do you think? She's afraid we're gonna die up here.
Afite ubwoba bwo tugiye gupira njye maravuga ngo muratekereza ibiki.
All right. You tell her.
Ngamubwire.
Tell her it's gonna be okay.
Ubwiye ko biri umere neza sibyo? Turava hano turava amahoro.
She doesn't believe you.
Naga ajya kwizera.
A killer's word means nothing.
Ati jambo ry'umwicanyi iteka nagaciro rigira.
To anyone.
Nta jambo ry'umwicanyi ryagaciro ku muntu wari wese.
I told you I'm a soldier.
Nakugenda umusirikare.
Protect people. We
turinda abantu.
Bad guys.
Kica abantu babi.
We don't have another choice.
Naye mahitamo dufite.
Who?
Udukurikije ndi.
Your government.
Urinda abaturage ukurikije leta yawe cyangwa.
You really think that makes a difference?
Uracheka ari tandukaniro ririmo se?
when my baby girl was only 1. Her father was gunned down in the street. Why? Because he thought my husband was someone else. This killer also worked for the government. But they got it wrong. Cost my husband his life. Or her father. That killer thought he had good reason for what he did too.
Telefone raso. Taba telefone ma.
Sam? What's wrong?
Sam, chozochi.
Where's Ken?
Ken ari.
He's down. He's hit.
Ari hasi yarashwe.
He's unconscious. I can't get to him, but he's bleeding. We need a medic up here, Tam, now. Quickly.
Ken's a tough nut to crack.
Ken
He'll make it. Do you have a visual?
Hang on. I'm using a mirror. Okay, go.
I have a team almost there. Watch for the flashes.
Watch it.
5, 4,
3.
Are we clear? Is that confirmed? I need rock solid fucking confirmation before he can move. Room is clear. You're good.
Sam. Bonye ko ari bagenzi babo Tamara yohereje muri etage irimo abicanyi bamuye na sinyare y'akantu k'urumuri.
It's safe?
Ibintu biratekanye.
We're good.
I'll send the team over to you.
Naje mbohereza ikipe za kubavanaho.
Chances are they may have assets in your hotel.
Baza byanga byakunda ari ibikoresho biri muri iyo hoteli murimo.
So just stay calm.
Bivuze mutuze.
Stay on the line.
Ugume ku murongo.
And you can stop hiding behind that pillar.
Ariko baye byiza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi. Urebe filime.
You find them all?
No.
Ako wababonye umuswa?
No, sir.
Oya umusenzi urimo barasa ntabwo ndambona.
Not yet.
Aramubwira ngo uzaza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi.
Been very
busy.
Erega naho zifite akazi kenshi.
It's safe?
Hasibira ahantu haratekanye cyangwa. Mukobwa za guhengereza ibyo wabuje.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yambwe ko atekanye.
You sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah.
Cyane.
Why do you believe them?
Hase kucubundi ubizera.
Look, I just saw the flashes myself.
Bonyaria ukanu kurumuri ba Mike flash.
Okay, it's safe. We're clear.
Hano haratekanye.
You first then.
Ngaho banzu ugendere no batekanye. Samu fatahana kanu anagagasego.
See? Told you.
Nakubwiye no baratekanye.
Do it.
Ngara bikore vayo.
Find that pillar if you're so sure.
Asubundi kamubazi. Kubura inyuma y'iyo nkingi nibyo bigwikizere cyuko ahantu utekanye.
Hey, Tam, you got eyes on us?
Ada Tamara urimo atureba.
Not yet. I'm working on it.
Ntago ndimo ndabareba ariko ndimo ndabikurikirana. Maniga garuye ubwenge.
No, I was.
Nigute wamenye ko
Pillar.
narindi inyuma y'inkingi. Ukanya namugati uraguma inyuma y'inkingi paka ryari. Mwanda. Nyirabuja amenya gute kare inyuma y'inkingi.
Nice try, Tam.
Wagerageje Tamara.
Got me to check the flashes so be convinced.
Wambwiye kugira ngo ndebe ruya rumuri kugira ngo nanjye undangize. Uri umuhanga.
Very smart.
Uri umuhanga kuko wa mugore we.
Sam?
Did I not realize what a
Nigute namenye yuko
fucking liar you
Borana n'umuntu w'umubeshi.
Before now.
Kuvana mbere. Sekamo. Kumenyera buje n'abagambaniye.
What they want to be true rather than what is.
Ata kenshi abantu bakunda kwizera ibyo umuntu ababeshi ko ari ukuri kurusha ukuri kwa nyako.
What the fuck are you doing, Tam?
Tangu urimo akora ibiki?
What are you up to?
Ubugamije iki?
firing you.
Turimo turakwirukana mu kazi.
You insisted on it.
Warakomeje uduhatiriza ngo ushaka kuva mu kazi. Mwanda. Nyuma y'imyaka yose dukoranye Tamara ni gutakora ibintu nk'ibi.
I like you, Sam.
Sam ndagukunda.
But
gusa
I don't see things in terms of right and wrong. That's not what I'm here.
Usibye ko arigenda ajya muri ibintu mu buryo nk'uko nawe ubibona. Arigenda ibintu wumva ko we uri mu nzanzima ariko nyangama ko uri mu mafuti. Kandi ntabwo aribyo nishyuye gukora.
Job is to solve problems.
Ariko njye akazi kanjye no gukemura ibibazo.
Problem is.
Kandi ikibazo ni kimwe.
We have a man like you.
Dufite abagabo nkawe.
Who has a very specific skill set. Who doesn't
kandi bafite ubuhanga nk'ubwawe.
work for us anymore, which is fine, but what we can't have is you.
Usibye yuko ntabwo twakwemera ko umuntu nkawe wagenda ngo uducike kuko hari abandi bantu duhanganye. Bivuze ngo uramutse uvuye muri kano kazi nongere kudukorera. Abandi baramutse baguhaye akazi ngo bakorere watumara.
One of our competitors, so.
Hari abantu benshi hano duhanganye kandi bafite amafaranga. Rero igisubizo ni kimwe.
We take you off the board.
Tukuvane kuri board tugurangize. Nababereye umunyakuri.
You were. But our profile on you suggests you have too much empathy.
Erega wa mugabo ibyo turabyumva nicyo binatwaye.
And you're losing your.
Twakoranye neza wadukoreye akazi twagusabye. Ariko ikibazo ni kimwe.
Wrong direction and you.
Kuva urimo urajya mu cyerekezo kibi bivuze ngo undi muntu twaba duhanganye. Uri umusore w'umuhanga twaminiyaga. Rero ntabwo twakureka gutyo ngo ugende amahoro. Gahunda ni ukukwica nuko bimera.
Hello.
Aha kugira ngo uve muri kano kazi ugende abandi bagwa akazi uzuduhitane. Nawe ubwaho baramutinya.
Why not just me? Why can't?
None se ko arije mwashaka kwica kucimwishe na Ken.
Talk too much.
Wibaza byinshi Ken nawe yaravugaga cyane. Ntabwo ari ibintu biri personal.
In the private sector, Sam.
Umva akenshi muri private sector cyangwa se.
It's far from the first time.
Ifite management yayo.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Aso ndimo navuga ibiki.
How do you think you two got stuck?
Abo ni cyo utekereza ko mwembi babiri mwatangije.
Dubai? Ring any bell?
Uribuka ibintu akazi mwakoze muri Dubai ntakiruka kwibutsa.
Saying we killed our own.
Utwishe bagenzi bacu.
You removed a couple of liabilities.
Cyane rwose muri Dubai mwishe bagenzi banyu.
Now you're replacing.
Uburyo mutazi.
The same thing.
Kandi abo bagenzi banyu mwishe no bagomba kubasimbura. No bagomba kuba replacements zanyu. Abo bagenzi banyu mwishe nabashaka kuva mu kazi. Nkuko nawe uyu munsi ushaka kukavamo. Dari y'umwitanya ashaka kuva mu kazi. Tumwoherezaho umugenzi akamuhitana. Niyo mpamvu nawe aho ngaho uri aho bari kuguhitana ari abo twakoherejeho.
Running my kills good.
Kandi nawe urabizi ko uburyo nica n'umuhanga.
All our kills are good kills.
Umva uburyo abo uko umuntu kose yapfa twamugutumye ntabwo bituye baba ari byiza cyane. Fa kubakoze ibyo twagutumye. Mujinya. Shit. Rero.
What now? What's happening?
Ndebikiri kujya mbere.
Being set up.
Batugambaniye. Katwagambarira nabo dukorera.
You can't call for help.
Bivuze ntabwo wahamagara ubundi bufasha.
Or anywhere else.
Erega iyo nyubako twayiborotse niyo wahamagara kuri polisi mu gihe ugomba guburenganza kujya mu nimero icemo.
I have control over all your comms.
Ati communication zawe zose njye uzikontorora.
Your line, Ken.
Umurongo wawe Ken abo bakobwa.
Okay. I see.
Ndabibona.
You got it all figured out, don't you?
Beno ngo samaze kushyira muri gahunda. Iyo nyubako yose turayifite. Na hano wakwisha na wasokera. Na yani mahitamo.
Why don't make it quick?
Waretse nka kwirasiruka nyihutishiriza akazi ko nawe uri buce.
Dad, you let the women live.
Ngaho basi nge ngica ureke bana bagore bigendera amahoro. Abyo nta kibazo.
You give me a word.
Umaye ijambo ryawe.
I die. They're free to go.
Nge ureke mfe mubareke bagenda amahoro.
Alive?
Alive.
Absolutely.
Cyane rwose.
You're lying.
Ni murambeshye.
No.
Ntabwo ni munakubeshye. Ari manakubeshye.
Sam, I think you've been doing this job too long.
Erega tama kazi ngakoze igihe kirekire ntabwo wambeshye.
You've forgotten what sincerity actually sounds like. You're fucking lying.
Ni murambeshye.
Too.
Nabizi nabura bica.
Oh dear. I sense disapproval from the cheap whore.
Ndabona rwose nawe gakobwa gaciriritse karimo karakugira inama.
To relax you.
I am not cheap.
Ntabwo ndaciriritse.
Tam, you want me so bad?
Hasi Tam, nimushaka kunyica cyane.
Why don't you come up here and do it your fucking self?
Waje wawe ukanyica n'ibiganza byawe.
Sorry, Sam. I think not.
Tam yangane ntabwo ariko mbyeka. Cyawe! Sampo. Baraza kuna birimo kakanya bwoba. Karaparika baraza kuna beyo ndatawe na we. Kitare cy'amahanga. Kuyawe mko. Tajare mu rubavu. Bona nawe guma hasi. Yakomeretse ihangane.
She's bait now. That's
umva urabeje kumukoresha agatego ihangane.
Well, that's why they shot to work.
Barashire bakujya muri mukobwa yikanga mu bwihisho. Bamwongeramo yewe data. Mona tuza.
All right. I'm going to do something.
Arashenje kora.
When I go,
He's gonna be shooting at me.
He pull
him in the safe. Say, when I say, you ready?
Afunga maridos. Yewe, amarido aribana. Baitanyi bara.
Fuck.
Nganda umva. Reba.
Gonna be okay, okay?
Ramera neza.
We're gonna get out of here.
Ramera neza.
Would you never know?
Tugomba tuvano sibyo? Mana we. Lili. Lili. Baitanyi ziraha. Ah. Telefone yason.
This is Ken's skill set, not yours.
Aterega ibi byose birimo birabane mugenzi wawe bipanze Kenny.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Erega kwitesha umwanya Kenny ni uzi buryo cyo sniper uburyo wamukwepa wikwita umwanya.
Replace me with a fucking moron who can't hit shit.
Abashaka kunsimbuza bose nago bampima kandi nabaso.
Lady friends, mine feels differently.
Ate biri muri ibwira nuko yikizira ko ntacyo natarukaniro bitanga.
She's dying, Sam. You know that.
Ukobwa ari marapfa Sam kandi nawe urabizi.
Just stop it. It's over.
Mva irekera guhangana byarangiye.
She was dead the moment she set foot in there.
Aterwa umukobwa n'ubundi akirija muri nyubako yaramaze gupfa kare.
Risk your life and nothing.
N'ubundi mashini muzangoye mu byango n'ubundi mva nkubwiza ukuri. Aba bakobwa akimara kwinjira muri twe twashyize kuri liste y'abapfu. Bari nka ya filime ya Walking Dead barapfu bagendaga.
Dead, you know it.
Mwese muri abapfu urabizi.
Why keep torturing yourself?
Wikwibabaza.
The other side of this, you know how it ends.
Na uzi ko birangira.
Open area.
Hana hano hafunguye naho kwica hari.
No cover.
Oya naho kwica no cover. Sengera kagenzi ke.
You're not making it to your rifle.
Rega n'ubura ahantu uri ntabwo uri bugere ku mbunda yawe. Mbunda ngiriye hakurya muri case.
You can't get to the bar.
Ntabwo wagera ku kabari.
The elevator.
Ntabwo wafungura esanseri.
Get out.
Nta buryo ki wabona ubufasha.
End of story, Sam.
Nkuru yawe yarangiye Sam.
Settle up.
Mani kura. Atano. Cyenda biforosa mugenzi we. Bari baje kora ka mashaje wa mbere iremuro Sam ibintu byakurangiranye mani garangije fata cyaje crystal ball.
Hey Mona. Mind if I use this?
Arachazo ngora shikije nazi cyawe.
That's why I have it.
Niyo mpamvu ngifite ngiye kujya gikoreshwa.
For luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Mani garangije.
For luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Pima cya kamera. Baratangiye. Ya mbere iva mudaba ndajya kugira umujinya. Mujinya. Urebe. Kamera ya mbere barayikubye. Urebe.
I was trying to keep this clean.
Sam ibintu arimo arashaka kubijyana mu nzira nzima. Mujinya urazamuka.
Out of respect for you, Sam.
Rero kubwo kurenga kuba Sam.
It's going to have to get real.
None katubigira ibyanyabyo.
Messy.
Tubigira umwanda mwiza.
When I get out of this.
Tamara ndamukamvuya na mahoro.
Gonna get out of this.
Ni kandi ndabiziko ndi buhave.
I'm coming to get you.
Ndaza nkwibonere.
Trick. But I don't even think you believe that.
Sinzi ko nawe ubwawe byiri kuvuga byizeye. Arakupa. Nakubwiye ngo wabaye umusirikare rimwe. Mutima horori wa wundi. Mona wihangana ku inshuti yawe.
20 fucking 2.
Ko bwa rafite imyaka 20. Arakira umwana. Ewe. Buriya namusirikare ujye ucikire njya bavuga ati no kukuka kanyuma. Nakora ibitangaza. Dukora iki nona?
We wait.
Dutegereze.
If we can wait long enough for the sun to come up.
Tukategereza bukarinda buna cyapaka izuba rirashe.
Guys.
Kubera ko izuba riramutse rirashe. Nkurikije iyi nyubako iri. iri mu burengerazuba bw'amajyepfo bivuze nk'izuba rirasira kuri yo.
Best you got?
Nibyo winyireje se? Yeah, nibyo nakwizeza dutegereze izuba rirasa.
Assuming Tamara hasn't sent up any more assets, and that's a pretty fucking big assumption.
Bivuze ngo Tamara mu gihe izindi ngabo zicukura esanseri twatake twategereza.
So usually that's you on the other end?
Ntabwo mbakari yo baherezo se?
That's you.
Urumurashinga bariya cyane. Nine shooter.
Thinking.
None waba uzicyo umurashi mugenzi arimo aratekereza. Nimba uri umusniper iri muri situation nk'iyi uburi gutekereza iki?
Yeah.
Ukobwa aramubaza.
He knows what you're thinking.
Rero niba uri na wari sniper nkawe nabashaka kwaza ibyo muri atekereza. Nkuko uvuze ngo dutegereze izuba ribarasireho. Ubwo bari muri southwest amajyepfo y'uburengerazuba tukazwa turi muri east. Bivuze ngo izuba rirasa kuri etage turiho rirasa hakurya.
Yeah.
Nawe ari matekereza nk'ibyo nekereza.
Isn't he worried about the sunrise?
Ese araseka nawe adahangakijwe nuko izuba riri burase?
Not at all.
Ntabwo ari byo ari gutekereza.
Why not?
Kubera iki cyatuma atabitekereza?
Because he figures we're gonna run before then.
Kuko we azi yuko turi bwirukanga mbere yuko rirasa.
Figures we won't be able to wait it out.
Abasniper barambirwa vuba kenshi yicaye ahantu hamwe.
Even if we do wait till the sun comes up, by then we're gonna be cold and sore, cramped up, and
Maniga ifite icyizere.
Yeah.
What is he thinking right now?
None azatekereza ari gutekereza iki?
Oh, right now he's gonna be pissed.
Byanga byakunda arabanza agira akantu ko kuyaga mu mutwe.
See, this was supposed to be a 10-second job. 1, 2, 3, bang.
Akenshi umusniper wese aba arimo arabara amasegonda atarenze 10 buri kanya ubara amasegonda 10. Iyo uje gukora akazi k'umusniper uvuga ati amasegonda 10 nabanisha umuntu ncomoke. Iyo rero bigiye kuba ukabana akazi kamaze isaha 2-3 umuntu ugomba kwica araho ureba ubanza kuyaga.
I wanna fucked all that up for them tonight.
Atirangi akazi nagakoze.
And the longer we wait,
uko tegereza cyane,
the angrier he's gonna get.
Ati ni kuri ya musniper ari burakare.
But he's not hot. He's not raging.
Ntago ari bugira icyo bikoraho, ahubwo ubwonko bwe buratangira kubira cyane. Kuko umusniper wese iyo atinze gukora misiyo aba arimo aratakaza amanota.
He's calm.
Ubu yatuje.
He's cool.
Yashyize umutima hamwe.
See, it's a battle of wills. And he's determined to win. He's thinking.
Ati zintambara z'ibyizere kandi ari dicamidazwa ari butsinde.
And the shot, the target, and the bullet.
Ubu umutima uri ku gipimo cye n'isasu.
It's pure. It's relaxing too. I know that's it.
Bagomba gutuza muri we.
Because there's nothing clouding your mind.
Nta kindi kimuri mu bwonko.
No bills. No worries.
Akenshi abasniper bana abantu biberaho nk'abazapfejo. Ntajya ahangayikishwa n'iby'isi. Awe ni kwa hoze. Nare kuri yawe ni umupfutu.
You're not.
Undamwe jagano na kirube muko. Nuko yemeze.
Could you do such things?
Wose abikorute.
You just take life.
Ni gute bikora uri umwambuzi w'ubuzima bw'abantu. Ubikorute. Mbona nawe umeze nk'umudahambana.
I need to get that rifle.
Nkeneye kubona ya mbunda yanjye.
They're coming. Take cover.
Barimo baraza. Uguma huri. Taniga. Ato. Simbukira imbunda yi. Babimakuno kuri cha. Bizibure. Aragikupa. Arose arije basasi. Umbe sanse sanga imira zamuka. Umbe kure sanseri. Bariga fungura hakuno case. Bohereje abandi bica Intambara. Nakubwiye ku 6,000 byayo ku Giti.net urya show kwezi kose. Nabiri ku cyumweru. Bayika yitonze nawe. Ararodinga. Bicanyi KILLA. Yauze muri ekipe y'abicanyi ashaka kuva mu mukino. Baravuga ati umusenzi abaramutse abonye ni kampana akorera yatumara. None bamwereje abicanyi. KILLAs. Yitonze. Yakupye za fizibure. Umugabo avayo abanza kuryama hasi. Urebe filimi. Areba muri ya etage iri mu mwicanyi. hano harurebera sniper jisho rihorwa irindi target bagabo bare kuri mwoto nakubwira cyane premier wumva cyabita umuriro cye wadatawe bare kuri mwoto iremoro cyangwa yapfuye ne konepa nakubwiye bitandatu bya ukubita iki whisky aramukongeza bongera y'umuriro inzu sasa hano itangira kure kuri imyotsi tayare cyo bita umwoto we bice ngizira target masasu we baya kuba Pataga kobwa.
Let go of her.
Shira mukobwa hasi mureka dende.
Drop it.
Shira munda hasi.
Drop it. Okay.
Sawa. Okay, sawa.
Drop the weapon.
Shira munda hasi.
Stay calm. Don't hurt.
Sawa nga basta bazu mukobwa reka. Shira munda hasi.
All right. Let's take it easy.
Bigenze gake.
Putting the rifle down.
Mukire ntwaro hasi. Gake. Sibyo. Kumbe ana cyicanyi. Nicyo bari barapima ntabwo bari kumureba neza yakihishemo. Target. Vuba. Nagije. Hano. Bagabo, kibana y'icyuma. Kimwe yatwitse. Usenda chomesha unchome. Bagabo, tayari. Yawe. Get. Mucho. Yawe.
Come on.
Kwira. Hasigaye sniper spotter wiwe bamuhaye kare. Hashenzi sha. Ururuzingwa rw'umwonjo. Kabana babano. Ificho.
Thank you
Mwakunze.
for saving my life.
Kubwo kuntabarira ubuzima.
I told you. That's why I do this.
Nabikubwiye ibintu byo nkora.
To protect people.
Nje ndinda abantu.
When did you become a soldier?
Wabaye ryari umusirikare?
You know when those two planes went into the towers, the world
Ati ubwo za ndege ebyiri zanjaga muri
Trade Center
za Twin Tower
came down.
ndege basinyaga World Trade Center.
It scared the shit out of me. That's why I enlisted.
Nebwo nayo nemeye kujya kuri list y'abajya mu gisirikare. Nari mfite 18.
Shit.
Nta kintu nari nzi.
I wanted to do something that meant something, you know?
Nagiye mu gisirikare nsanga aho tugiye guhangana na Al-Qaeda.
Did 4 tours.
Nakoze tour enye. Afghanistan, Iraq.
Found out I was pretty good at it.
Nati nabonye kari byo nshoboye.
Signed me up for this
Nabuze umuryango wanjye ubwo basenyaga zira nyubako.
thing.
Ndaba kujya muri kano kazi.
We had to do things we weren't supposed to talk about.
Ati twemeye gukora ibintu tutashobora no kuba twavugisha iminwa yacu.
Met Ken.
Nibwo naje gura na Ken. Nibwo nabonye ko ari abantu bakiri bazima muye na Ken.
Felt like we were busting through all the red tape and doing things that we were told the politicians didn't have the will or even the guts to do, you know?
Ati twakoze akazi mugenzi w'abapolitisi batujya gukora. Bobwa bakumva ko nawe ni umuntu wamenye ibyo dukora.
We just see things in black and white back then.
Twavuye mu gisirikare ko bano batugira aba private contractors ku buryo baduhaga akazi kujya kurasa ibyebe mu buryo bw'ibanga. Twakoze cyitwa mu black operations, black ops.
But there right now.
Ati byo we know job yacu.
Doing the right thing.
Ati twumva ko turi gukora ibintu bijyanye nabyo. Ariko mu nyuma barashaka kudukoresha nk'abacakara. Nta burenganzira bwo kuva muri kano kazi.
It's a lot harder when it's your ass in the crosshairs.
Nibwo byaje kundenga mu myaka ya 18 ndajoininga. Nibwo joining the force.
And I may as well be.
Ati Didi yapfuye naje akurikira mu kanya.
And my daughter.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye.
Who will provide for her once I'm gone?
Ese nimpfa ndi uzamwitaho.
I have money.
Ati mfite amafaranga.
Out of here, I'll get you both out of the country.
Kandi zabavana muri gihugu. Turabapfuye ibitindaho.
You said so yourself.
Nawe ubwawe wabyivugiye.
You know what he's thinking, and
nawe uzi ibyo uriya musinayipa arimo aratekereza.
He knows your every move.
Kandi azi n'intambwe zawe n'ibyo upanga.
We're trapped here.
Bisa nk'ahantu twafungiwe.
Way out.
Bategewe hano oya.
There's a difference.
Hari itandukaniro n'uvuge yuko twafungiwe hano nta buryo bwo kubasohoka. Hari itandukaniro.
What?
Irihe? What difference?
Better at this than he is.
Ati ndi umuhanga kurenza uriya musinayipa.
I can just get to my rifle. It's over for him.
Ati namutageze ku muda yanjye Tamara byabira nako Lily byabirangiye.
Tamara knows that.
Kana Tamara arabizi. Ngeze ku murange gato byabirangiye.
Give me your hand.
Bameretse ikiganza cyawe. Asoma ibiganza.
What?
Kubera
You're a killer.
Rumwicanyi.
And a survivor too.
Kandi uri survivor.
A very good one.
Kandi uri umuhanga muri byo.
The palms never lie.
Inaga ibiganza bijya bibeshya.
Lie.
Uri umuntu urokoka intambara kenshi gashoboka. Bantu barabeshya, people lie. Palms don't. Bantu barabeshya ibiganza bijya bibeshya. Uri umupambanyi. Rangije.
This is my daughter.
Uyu ni umukobwa wanjye, Milena.
The address is on the back.
Address y'umwana wanjye iri inyuma.
Yes. If I die,
ndamutse mpfuye uzamwereke uzamushake
and help her.
Umufashe.
Money, school,
amafaranga y'ishuri buri kimwe. Everything. Help her. Please. Everything. Do it for her.
Talk like this.
Wevuga amagambo nkayo.
Trust me.
I'm not a trained soldier.
Ntabwo ndi umusirikare watojwe.
You are.
Niwe watojwe igisirikare.
And my daughter.
Kandi mukobwa wanjye.
My daughter cannot survive on her own.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yakwishoboza kuba muri iyi si. Ntabwo surviving a struggle z'iyi si.
If you get your gun.
Ndagufasha kubona imbunda yawe.
Milena.
Kandi nawe nsezera kuzafasha umwana wanjye Milena.
Promise.
Sezeranya, promise.
Not with words,
atari amagambo,
but with your heart before God.
Ubanze umutima wawe imbere y'Imana.
And make it real.
Kandi uzabigira ibyanyabyo.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya.
Before God.
Imbere y'Imana.
That I will protect her with everything that I have.
Nzamurinda na buri kimwe cyose nzaba mfite. Kandi nzamuha buri kimwe cy'umubyeyi wese yaha umwana we.
Okay.
Kandi uzongera umubone.
We're gonna get out of this.
Ibi turabicamo turahava turi bazima. Je te promets. Ikimenyetso nabika agafoto. Wowe turagufasha. Buja. Ebe sanseri. Arabandi baje. Maniga vuba. Yinje sanseri. Sniper bana ham, senza rancitse. Snipers! Akuranga ba sniper mwabasenzi mwe. Kigabo ni kinini. Baragigira. Kigabo ni igisore. Kigabo cyarakuze. Kirangije. Kirahora. Kigabo ni rukuru. Cyawe. Sniper. Akabona ko nakiyambira ari kigabo. Cyarakuze. Yabore mugabo wanyayo akabaye n'amaso. Niba nakwica wicande atamasara yakanda asenza nganza amaso tayare yawe sanjije mugabavayo habuze gato wa musenzi we defongora sanseri kumbe yavanye amapiri muri gurunadi aiwe tayare chebwe tatawe agabo tayari barago harugo hairyo munda kumbe wa mukobwa mona
Akya
ndishe
for my Milena
kubwo umwana wanjye Milena ariko yari tata bugega tata we kubwo umwana wanjye yari yahagaze munda oya maniga ndishyiramo Dangije barebana nekuri sasu darangara bisikana bayise dekava yewe tatabwe oh badi mana arabivuganye oya
Why did you do that?
koze ibiki
Why did you do that?
kucyo bikoze biriya
Run.
bakaba twirukanse umwana wanje Milena iki basi uzamuncungire mushyize mu biganza byawe uzamuhe ubuzima bwiza, give her a better life, ubuzima bwiza burenze ubwo turimo, uzamwigisha gusurvivinga muri iyi si. Ntabwo nabikora, uzagira ibyiringiro, have faith. At palms never lie, ibiganza ntibijya bibeshya. Bakiraho kumbe Ken.
Jesus Christ, Ken, I thought you were dead.
Nyamurutirigongo. Ken akuka karacyarimo.
No!
Let's. Wibuja.
No, we gotta go.
Wibuja tugomba tuva hano.
Move my fucking legs.
Nago najana babuja.
Fucker got me through the spine, man.
Bana shemurutirigongo amaguru yabaye paralize.
Move me, man.
Nago nabuja.
I can't move. All right.
Nago nabuja. Okay. Samwana.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Anda.
Shit. Look at you, bro.
Banzaire muvandimwe.
Shot through the spine. They can't get you. You're fucking.
Mwana barashe murutigongo ariko nago bakurangije mwana.
Star.
Mwana cyara rockstar.
It's about time you noticed, man.
Man cyo jembe menye.
Okay. Sorry about Mona.
Wihangane kubwa Mona.
She's a good woman.
Ari umugore mwiza.
She saved my life.
Man, I'm sister yantabaye.
Yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
Now you have your answer, don't you?
Atu ufite ibisubizo.
I said what?
It's
Why someone give their life for some undeserving piece of shit, huh?
Mwana kesha igihe umuntu atanga ubuzima bwe kabandi bakwiye amahoro.
Save someone they love, right? Yeah.
Ese umuntu itanga bakunda cyangwa.
You know what?
Razi.
I always knew you'd fall for the first hooky you spend the night with.
Atenaize ko n'ubundi umutima uzatwarwa n'umuntu muzahura ijoro rya mbere ari umukobwa.
You're a cripple, right? Otherwise it beats your fucking ass for that.
Ngenzi Ken amasayo siburaga muri blague.
Fuck.
Sanipa amvanye mu nzira. Kanji dafata imbunda ye.
No, man. Just fucking go without me.
Man, winjana ndeka mwana ndeka.
You understand me?
Ntago nagusigana mwana wanyumva.
I'm leaving you here.
Ntago nagusigana.
The elevator, the lobby, the stairs.
Mwana nago twaza manuka n'ubundi sanseri mu abasirikare muziye hasi bose.
For the fire position. No.
Byanga byaguruko byagenda kose nago twaca muri sanseri. Baradufite. Mukuru ramuzana hakuno.
I can't get up.
Muzana muri cya cyumba. Muzana hakuno. Highway.
Good news is, you're right about these sheets.
Man, nkuru nziza nuko yamashoka tuyafite ya silk.
Do it again, are you fucking kidding me?
Man, kwa ya technique muri Beirut.
Faith, no.
Yari cyizere.
Work.
Ntabwo byakora. Kiraho telefone irasona.
Tamara, she's behind this.
Ngo mwana Tamara ni nyuma byose mwana. Mabuja nawe tugambaniye.
That's why I was so heated you were tired.
Ya n'ubundi ntabwo yarashyushye mu mutwe kubera ko ashaka kuva mu kazi. Ntabwo yabishakaga. Itaba.
Hey Tam.
Bete Tam.
You still hiring?
Azakodesha abicanyi.
New team.
Kaho ni mapangu nshinga ikipe nshyashya. Kera cyari muzima se. Mwana akabisura urakomeye ntabwo uri mwiza wo kwica.
Such a cunt.
Umusiko wa mugore we.
Well, congratulations, gentlemen.
Felicitation bagabo.
You just leveled up.
Ubona abazamu rwose muri level.
What are you talking about?
Navuga ibikisi.
Yes, shit.
No mwanda koko.
Shit.
Mwanda ukomeye.
From up top.
Atiro nabayicenye nzanye. bamwe bamaze kuzamuka besikariye bari hafi kubageraho esazeri mwayiturikije ureba neza abandi nohereje sinzwe muri bloke izo drone kumbe kwa mudamu yabohereje drone sasa ziriho imbunda turore mudamu aranava kwizima jya mu kindi cyumba Tamara nava kwizima basore babaraje izo drone manega yitonze avayo ebye magazine asigayemo manega afashe cya gishuka ndeba drone irabanza scanninga ndakura yesasu nongera aragaruka ntabwo yabaye korera ibisasu bibiri tarakururayo banza kubura stability uburinganire neza mu kirere gihiri rya kabiri kamera system tangira kujyamo akabazo tayari pima hani kinuza wa AC tayari manuka busazi harari rwa gaze kwicaga pani bajia namutse ngo bajia namutse ngo iki bane tugira abandi basirikare batezamo bane drone hasi kugera hano yasanze Keni ya karenze mushuti sura yerurutse bane basirikare manigara arafuta gishoka cya siliki arihambira neza vayo
shit
nganda aiwe
okay Ken
sawa Ken
hey I'm in your hands now brother
ndimo biganza byawe muvandi yamukoreye umutaka muri yashuka byadagwa mu mafashuka silk ngo bakomera ajya apfa gucika
oh shit
yangije maniga agize gutya bari nabikoze birakunze muvandimwe it worked nabikoze mwana Ken yasigaye muri etage Hano no murejeni Kumije shuka Tayari muri Mondays Nganda Kubese mwikamya mwenzangu
Verification received loud and clear
Wabigenze neza Ura ku kimenyetso Mwenzanga ririkira Kumbe hakuno mjini mbati za Tamara hakuno
I am a long way
bavuganaga
from verifying that.
Ati ndi kure yo kubiverifya.
You may be closer than you think.
Ati Tamara ashaka kunyegera birenze kubikeka. Bisi baze kwicuma.
It's boring now, Sam.
Sam byivuga biri kuba wa. Ntabwo urabeho tuzasubira. Tamara mugenzi yagambaniye ba Sam. Barakoranye neza. Tamara yinjiye mu bwiherero. Hari uwaje akora amasuku. Nawe yinjiye Tamara yinjiye. Babagasi. Umvare kivuze mindani. Kumbe kakana harakana hano munyuzi kari kureba amafoto ya Mona. Kuko akarebaga amafoto. Wa munyamasuku. Yaraje afata kana. Kumbe maniga ibyo yasezereje Mona yarabikoze. Yaraje afata kana ke meze neza. Yemera ko abera umubyeyi. Naga filime ndaceka ruko kageze bayita kate cover ya Reba Premier for real abaje mwakoze kuzamura abana bakunda cyane nakubwira mu bitandatu ku Giti ukwezi kose karya sho nabawe ndetse na 2 ku cyumweru abaje mwakoze kuza na Star Vista